So I got a Winnebago Journey here at a limp mode condition. Yeah, so it barely turns over. Boost.
Oh, there we go.
These two look like the house batteries, and then these are the two starting batteries. So I'm gonna test all four. So when we're running, the charging system likes to cut in and out. So I'm gonna isolate the charging system to just the starting batteries. Okay, so 4 batteries installed. So we're charging now. So we got the charging concern figured out. Just a bunch of crappy batteries. It looks like this Winnebago Journey is ready for sale.